Hello students, I am Manorma and we were reading chapter 8, A Treat for Mosquitoes. In previous class, we came to know about the cause of malaria and found that this disease is spread by a female mosquito bite named Anopheles mosquito. Now you must be thinking that from where does these mosquitoes came, where do they live and survive? So today in this video we will learn about the life cycle and origin or birth of mosquitoes. Do you know what is stagnant water? The stagnant water is the water that does not move or that does not flow. As you can you can see here in this picture, this is stagnant water. This also is a stagnant water because there is no movement in this water. You can see that it's not moving anywhere. So it is called stagnant water. As we all know that mosquitoes lay eggs in stagnant water, so the stagnant water is directly related to birth of malaria causing mosquitoes. Now in this picture you can see that there is a mosquito laying egg in the water. Can you see? Yes. Now we will understand about the life cycle of mosquito. As we know that the life cycle of any creature is as like it produces egg or seeds, then it gives birth to its young one, then its young one grows and then it reaches to its adulthood. Got it? Now we will compare this image to this image. Okay? In this life cycle, the first step is egg or seed. Same here in this image, first step is egg given by mosquito. This is the shape of eggs. Then its eggs develop in second step larva. Okay, this is the second step of life cycle of a mosquito. It looks like this. Now the third step is pupa. The larva converts into pupa and at last it becomes a mosquito. Have you understand? Okay.